I was gifted this outdoor magnetic screen door, and I just wanted to show what it looks like when it comes packaged up. Really simple. I was impressed with how compact this was. But it comes with tacks to be able to tack it in place, and Velcro. And it looks like it's the sticky kind of Velcro so that it can stick in place. The vinyl itself, and then the instructions. 6 steps. Looks really simple. Will look like this. Keep you updated as I get it in. Start to finish, that maybe took 10 minutes from the time I opened it to the time it being up. If you notice that I had to unstick it and re-put it back on because I didn't have it centered, it came off with no residue and it's still sticking just as sturdy. Something I would like to point out is that I've had one of these before a few years ago, but this one has clips so that if you want to keep it open, you can clip it to the side, which is such a nice option. Little clip, keep it open, and it goes all the way to the ground. And I have siding, so I couldn't use the tacks, but if you wanted a more secure thing and your door frame supported that, that's a really nice option that they include that. It looks great. I'm excited for the nice summer days where I want the breeze, but I don't want flies. Awesome.